bubbly, bubbly, let's sing and play.
In the forest bright and green, she was a joy, a happy scene. With her puppy by her side, through the flowers they both glide. Raindrops splash as puddles grow, jumping high with faces aglow, laughing loud with feet so free. Rainbow colors they can see. Winter's chill, the snowflakes fall, tiny hands make snowballs small. With rosy cheeks she twirls around, soft white snow upon the ground. In the patch where pumpkins shine, golden lights in rows align. Fireflies dance in glowing flight, magic sparkles in the night. On the beach with golden sand, building castles hand in hand. Waves roll in then fade away, a perfect end to a sunny day. Drifting high in skies so blue, floating clouds in every hue. From the basket looking down, she sees rivers, hills, and town. Through the garden small and bright, fairy wings glow in the night. Mushrooms tall and flowers grand, a dreamland built by nature's hand. On the farm so full of cheer, little ducklings waddle near. Running fast she laughs and plays, under golden sunshine rays. Camping out beneath the stars, soft and sweet her dreams are far. With a marshmallow warm and bright, she drifts to sleep in silver light.